Hi everyone, welcome to a not so sunny North Wales today. Hey ho, we've got a break in the showers, so there's a chance to do another video. So this is our latest offering. This is a TEMSA HD12 12 metre long 53 seater executive coach. Now this TEMSA HD12 has come in part exchanged. It's been out on hire, it's come back in. It was from a company called George Edwards and Son of Wrexham, a good friend of ours, and we've taken their livery off, given it a polish, and we've actually done a fair bit of work to it. It's just had a brand new MOT till 20th of May next year, and it's had a full service, all oils, engine, gearbox, stiff. It's also had quite a bit of welding done. Now, if you know TEMSA's HD12, then you'll know that they brought a stainless version out in about 2010-11, and so those models don't suffer from the old cancer. This one does, or did, and we've done a lot of work to it. So we've changed the box sections underneath the luggage compartment and several other bits, and actually I've put a video in for that as well. So what I've done is I've started with underneath, just to show you how good it is. I've been tapping away with a hammer just so you can have confidence that it's absolutely solid underneath. So it should, after the work we've done to it, last for a few more years. I can't see why not. It's got the DAF PACCAR PR265 engine, which is rated to 360 horsepower, and it is also on a ZF Ecomat box. So actually, when you think about it, 12 metres long, 53 seat exec, with a toilet, massive luggage capacity, ticks all the boxes surely. So and very cheap bargain vehicle in the price. Especially this time of year, might be a good get out of jail free card, as I call it. It was not exactly free, but it's not far away. So as we go inside, courier seats, not sure about the dash fridge, I don't think so. Radio works, it's got a DVD player fitted, don't know if it works. I don't think I can find any CDs or DVDs these days. So there's the ZF Auto box, 497,000 kilometres from brand new. And the aircon's been fully serviced as well, so we know that's absolutely spot on. As I say, no faults on the dash whatsoever. Drives really, really well. 53 seats, 12.2 metres long, 2.55 wide. It's got lap belts. We've got this very, very nice maquette. The seats are in really good nick. The other thing that's really fascinating about this 2008 53 seat exec is there's a coffee machine. It works and it gets hot. Wow. We go into the toilet, which is sort of under the seats, which is quite clever, so you don't have a problem with the seat spacing. Sink works, and the old Electron Magic toilets like I had in the 425s, the old Thetford ones, that works and flushes, which is pretty amazing for a vehicle of nearly 18 years old, I suppose. 17th of June it was registered, 2008, so it's nearly 18 years old, isn't it? So yeah, go down to the back. It's got an emergency door at the back, which is always good. Again, no damage, no children vandalisation or anything like that. It's got a couple of magazine nets that haven't been removed, but most of them have been. We can remove that if you wanted. And yeah, so we walk back down to the front. It's got footrests, actually with a nice bit of carpet in it. You'd probably get away with it on a decent job actually. So just to recap, 2008 TEMSA HD12 53 seat executive coach. Thank you.